Hello everybody and welcome to another video. But today I'm playing a game that I like playing quite a lot. It's called Dungeon Quest. What the point is, you actually go into these dungeon things and you have to kill these guys to like continue into the next room. And at the end of each dungeon, there is a boss. Well, I think, because I've only gone to the first one. But anyways, yeah. And then, once you do get those at the end, you can get, like, there's a variety of stuff you can get. At the start of this game, you choose whether your weapon wants to be wand or a sword. I chose wand, because that sounds insane. And I have two power up. The Q is fireball and E is something. I call it the spit. Here, watch. This is a fireball. This is spit. It's OP, literally. I'll show you once we get into it. So, I'm a wizard. A blue wizard. So I'm going to press play. I'll create a dungeon. Sorry if I cough. I've just been playing outside. I'm level 18. And to do it here, you need to be level 33 on easy mode. I'm gonna go Desert Temple, medium, not hardcore mode, because that's gonna be really difficult. And I'll create the lobby. Start it up. And anything. Yeah, there's a big chunky guy standing on top of a pyramid of everything smushed. So, this is the starting point. So when I press start, it's going to start 3, 2, 1. So, this is my fireball attack. It does this. It kills them. My, spit attack, I call it, that's for, like, big loot. So the strat I have is I make them all follow me. It's actually a strat my friend taught me. And I'm gonna, do the spit. Look at that. It destroys everything in its path. Okay. Q. There we go. I actually don't play this much on PC. I actually do it on my Xbox, so it's gonna be a bit more difficult, but and those guys, no, go away, leave me alone. Don't attack. I just want to attack you. Look at that. Look over it. Look over it. I'll just press Q on these guys. Okay, they're dead. There you go. Door's open. Okay. Let me just Q a few of these guys. Okay. These guys. You, hello. Okay, these ones. I died. Okay. Yeah, maybe that's not the best strat, but it's a good strat at least. Where am I? Ah, it's this. I think. Is it this way? I don't think it's this way. Yeah, it's this way. Here they are. got him. Oof. There's a certain range on these attacks. So this fireball can only go up to there. Okay, they're both dead. It's like a pink crystal orb. If you know what those are. Just play on crystal orbs. Oh, I leveled up, I think. Yeah, wait, what? Wait, what the heck is going on? Oh no, you guys, goodbye. Oh, you guys at least. You're dead. Next! Okay, I'll just E. Die. Maybe I should save the E for this. I'll just try these guys with the E. Okay, these guys definitely just need the E. Or the fireball. Oof. I haven't lost any health. Oh, here's the boss. What's up, bro? Oh, you did so much damage. You only did 50. If you want to know how I know what my health is, I'll show. What the? Is that a club? Oh wait, that's that club. I'll show you right now. Oh, never mind. I'll just put it like that. Or do you prefer? I don't know. Okay. There we go. Finally did it. This time I'm gonna join instead of create. I didn't get anything special from that. No, I'm not ready for insane. I'm gonna join this guy. This is wait for it to start, I guess. Oh, I'm gonna help this guy out so much. He's only level 7. I'm level 19. Level 7 is not a good level for whatever it's called, medium. Oh. There we go, we restarted. Check. Hello. How are you doing? Is this guy gonna move? Of course he's still loading. I'm just gonna wait for this guy to load. So this is the way I know what my stats are. Right? I go up here. I mean, like, that's my health and XP. I'm gonna start it. I think this guy's okay. Never mind. Wait, let me just This is a weird glitch. Press E. I'll just get these guys through the wall. They can get me through the wall as well. For some reason, it's really weird. Oh, that guy leveled up. Good job to him. Alright, there they are again, through the wall. Oh, this is hardcore this time, and if I die, there's no coming back. Okay. Done. That guy's already 4? Bruh, this guy's bad.